Hey friends, this is Atif Opir Val and welcome to the update on Bonk. In my earlier videos, I was showing you that the price of Bonk was dropped down at a very long-term support of 933, and this was one of those videos, by the way. And now if you take a look at the live chart, this is the daily time frame chart, and you can see that still it is forming lower lows and lower highs. But as RSI was completely oversold, you can see that on the daily time frame chart, it was completely entered the oversold zone, and stochastic was completely oversold. And even on the 7 days time frame chart, stochastic has entered the oversold zone and extreme oversold right now, you can see. Therefore, I was telling you that now there is a probability that we may see a price correction after testing the support, and you can see that when the price tested the support of 933, then it is bounced very well. And now we are moving towards the next resistance of 1212, point double zero double zero, four times zero, 1212 dollar. That was previously breaking as support here. And now this time it can break as a resistance. If you take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that recently it was also breaking as a support here for a few days. Therefore, again, it can work as a strong resistance for the price line of Bonk. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. And I would also like to show you once again this previous breakout from this big symmetrical triangle, this pump, and this breakdown. You can see that the price has also broken down this very long-term up trend line support as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I have also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of Feb 2025. In the video description, you just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for Sleepless AI, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and then it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this trade setup I shared on 11th of Feb 2025 with my members. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this is the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and reached the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of Bonk. And first of all, let me show you the daily time frame. And here on the daily time frame chart, you can see that recently the price line was dropped down here after this big drop. It was dropped down at this long-term support of point double zero double zero and zero, 5 times 0.933 dollar. That has been previously breaking as a very strong support. If you take a weekly time frame chart, then here you can see that for a few weeks has been breaking as a very strong support from the month of January 2024 up till the month of February 2024. And now again, the pricing is dropped down at this support and geared up, because at the same time when we were testing the support, stochastic was completely oversold. And I was telling you that as previously it was completely oversold on entered the oversold on here, and we were testing at that time very long-term support zone. That was, by the way, starting from 1506 and 1416. We had a very, very nice pump. Same as like that, we can expect another price correction from here, at least up to this resistance of 1212. And you can see that the price is geared up very well. And now it is about to hit this next long-term resistance of point double zero double zero one two dollar. That had been previously breaking as a support here. And if you take a look at the daily time frame chart once again, then you can see that for a few days it had been breaking as its support here as well. Here for a few days, it has been breaking as support. And after breaking it out, the next imminent resistance will be here at 1315. And after breaking it out, the next resistance will be here at point double zero double zero 1506 dollar. It has been previously breaking as support here. Recently, it was breaking as a resistance here. And if you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this 15106 dollar has been previously breaking as a support here. Here it was working as support in the month of September 2024 as well, and here as a support. Therefore, again, it can break as a strong resistance for the price line of Bonk. And after breaking it out, there will be another very, very strong and long-term downtrend line resistance. You can see that after this previous rally, when we, for a while, we also broke out this very long-term resistance line as well that starts from double four and goes to point double zero double zero four zero dollar. The price line was getting rejected by this downtrend and resistance. Therefore, the price then again broke down the support zone, and continuously it was getting rejected by this downtrend and resistance. And therefore now it can again work as a very strong resistance for the price and a bonk. And after breaking it out, if the price and will be able to break it out, then soon it can also hit this up trend line resistance that was previously working as a very strong support. And you can see that after the breakdown, it was flipped into resistance. We got rejection here, then we had a big drop. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this is in fact a support of a very huge symmetrical triangle that was coming from the month of December 2023, and we broke it down here in the month of January 2025. Therefore, this time it can again break at a very strong resistance. And if the price end will be able to break out this up trendline resistance, then the price end can hit this very long-term resistance zone once again. That starts from 40 and goes to point 0.000044 dollar. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.